look into the screen now. And girls, if you are wrong, also not a problem, but answer. I asked girls to talk to me. Now the timing is with girls. Only 10 seconds is left now. Yes.
Sir, I think, can I answer, sir?
Yeah, please. Who is this?
Epsiba incident, sir.
Epsiba. Yeah, tell me, Epsiba.
I think the first boy with the pink balloon.
All right. Any other girls? One more girl is allowed. It's only 3 seconds left now. 3, 2, 1, 0. 0. I said 0. It goes to boys. Where are boys? I am asking boys. No, Ritika. No. Time left.
Sir,
Ritika.
Everything is in the same position and it's just the size that vary.
Who's that boy?
Paul Dominic.
Paul Dominic. So Paul Dominic, along with you, I'll give chance to one more boy. Anybody is there from boy side?
Sir.
Pradeep. See, no girls should ask me. No girls should raise your voice. Time is up. I don't want. I'm asking only with boys now. Paul Dominic, along with Pradeep. Pradeep is there. Pradeep, answer me.
Question, sir.
Sorry?
In the question.
Sir.
In the question.
Sir.
I said I will come to you. I said I'll come to you. You can show your hand on your screen. I said that. I will come to you. So Pradeep, your answer, I'm not very sure. Can I go to Harish?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Harish, tell me. Trouble with your voice. Trouble with your voice. I'll go to Joel. Joel Asher. Where is Joel?
Sir.
Tell me, Joel.
Sir, I agree with Paul Dominic, sir. If the balloon size may vary, but all are on the same
K1.
height.
K1. Who's K1? Who's that boy or girl? Who is that K1? Who raised the hand? All right. All right. Let's move on to the answer, shall we? Where are my boys representative and girls?
Yes,
where are they?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let's see the answer now.
The same. Yes, sir. Boys are the winners.
Yeah. So now I think 2 already with boys and 3 with girls and 2 with boys. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Somebody note down the points also. So 3 with girls and 2 with boys.
Yes, sir. I'll note it, sir.
Yeah. So the point is going like this. The scoreboard is 3 girls and 2 boys. Next question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I have a question here. It goes to boys. I think the last question is given to girls. I think so.
No, sir. It was to boys, sir.
So then it goes
passed
to girls.
to boys.
So it is going to girls. Girls, your time starts now. 30 seconds. 25.
Sir.
20. Tanushri, do you got an answer? No. 18. 15.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
No doubts in this. Yeah, tell me. Ask me your doubt first. Your
Sir, I
chance
know
will
it,
go
sir.
on.
I know it, sir.
Sir, but should we not use the same ball twice from the balls
Yes,
that are
yes,
given
yes.
down, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir,
10, 5.
Sir.
Sir.
May I answer, sir?
Sir. Tanushri. Yeah, answer Tanushri.
Plus 15 plus 11 plus 5.
16 plus 11.
15, sir. 15 plus 5. 20. That's it.
No, I think I think I've asked.
Sir, I know, sir.
Who's that? Ritika. Tell me Ritika first.
Sir, down 9 what is there now, sir? We can take it as 6.
No, you don't have to ask a question to me. You should answer.
Sir, 6 plus 11.
These are all a quiz questions. So let's move on to the boys now. Boys, your time. Boys, I think Joel is already here. Joel Asher K raised hand. So Joel. Joel, answer me.
Sir, we can take the ball number 9 as 6. So we can add as 6 plus 13 plus 11, sir.
No, who's the next boy who raised the hand? Bhavani Shankar. Bhavani Shankar.
Sir,
Who's
I
talking?
agree. Sir,
Who's
I
talking?
agree with Joel, sir.
All right, let's see.
Because we can twist the ball 9 as 6 and we can keep it as 11, 13 and 6 is equal to 30, sir.
Let's see the answer. Time up.
Yes.
Who said this?
Sir, Joel and me, sir, Bhavani Shankar.
Wonderful. So boys is now 3, girls is 3. Let's move on to the next one. The question is here. If you want, you can write down this question. Both the side, please do write down. Question will come to boy only, okay? Boy side. Question is to boy side, but girls are allowed to write. Everybody is allowed to write if you want. Make it fast. I'm reading it. Once an old man and his 3 daughters lived in a village. One day the old man got very sick, so death came to take his spirit. And the oldest daughter asked Death to let her father live for 2 years, and Death agreed. 2 years later, Death returned. The second daughter appealed, and Death agreed to grant the old man 1 more year. A year later, Death returned, and now the youngest daughter came with a candle and asked Death to allow her father to live until the candle in her hand burned out. Death agreed as the youngest daughter planned. Death never returned. Question: how did she plan it? The question to boys side.
Sir, the answer is the candle.
Who is wait? Who is that name? You should tell me your name.
Sir, Rishi, sir.
Rishi. Rishi is ready with the answer. So I'm going with Rishi. Rishi, please tell me the answer.
Sir, the candle does not burn; it melts off. So
no, Rishi, or boys, 1 chance is lost for you. You have
Sir.
1 more chance now. Answer.
Excuse me, sir.
Who is this? I said only with boys. No girls.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm Paul.
Sir,
Yeah, okay, tell me.
what is this? The girl said that Death can take her father's spirit when the candle blows off, but when Death left, she immediately blew it off and he never came.
Yeah, wonderful answer. So who is that student?
Jeremiah Griffin Paul.
All right, so boys is with 4 points now, right? Let's move on to the answer.
Sir, can you repeat the answer, sir?
The answer is on the screen.
Oh man.
So the youngest daughter blew out the candle after that left, and the candle never burned out. So who scores? Who
Sir,
scores?
what if Death come and see it, sir?
No, it after. See, the condition is the Death left. The left. Now the Death will come only after.
Mental ability test.
Yes. No, okay. Let's look into. Now, boys are with 4 points and girls are with 3 points. I'm moving on to the next question. Are you ready?
4 points. Now 2 points and the boys.
No,
Sir,
boys,
don't
no
talk.
argument here. If you argue here, I'll take your points out.
There's someone's talking in comment.
Nobody should argue, and argument is not going to help anyone. Only listening. So don't ever argue here. If you argue, if you keep creating noise from boys' side, you will lose. Every boys who create noise, you will lose 1 point. Please remember. Any girls who create noise, okay. Any girls who create, I know who are all doing this because in my system I am recording it. The voice is keeping recorded. So this will be taken to your principal room after this class. So the screen is recording your voice. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your voice is recording. Whenever you talk, actually, against your name, in my screen it reflects whose laptop or whose phone is talking. It comes. There is a reflection in my screen, so I know who is doing that. Be careful. I'll be taking this video to your principal and your correspondent's father. Right. Next one. The next question. So I said girls are with 3 points and boys are with 4 points. Now let's move on to the next question. The next question is here to girls. The next question is here very much available for girls. Let's read. Paul was standing on a 25-meter ladder. He slipped from the ladder and fell on the ground, but he didn't die or get badly injured. Question, how is this possible? Girls, your time starts. 29, 28, 27, 25.
Sir, can I answer?
Let's see that. Abhilash, I say 1 second. Abhilash, don't raise your hand unless until the question comes to you. The boys will lose point.
Sir,
Questions
can I
comes to you only or wait.
Sir, may I answer?
Wait, Andrina. Unless until the question comes to boys side, nobody should raise your hand. If you raise, you will lose your point. So
Okay,
it is
sir.
now it is Andrea. Andrea is there, and one more student. Who is the next girl? Ritika. Andrea and Ritika. So
Sir.
Andrea, tell me.
Sir, Paul was standing on 25-meter ladder, but he was not standing on the top of the 25-meter ladder. Might be he was standing on the second step or the first step. So while he fell on the ground, he will not get badly injured.
Where is Ritika?
Sir,
Ritika, answer me.
so same thing, sir, but he was standing at the bottom.
All right, let me look into the answer now.
The ladder is just 25 meter.
He was standing at the bottom, I think.
Correct answer.
So now 4-4. The next question to boys is here on the screen. All right, let's move on to the boys. Boys, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The next question is here for boys. You may write this. Please do write. A student has to obtain 33% of the total marks to pass. He got 125 marks and failed by 40 marks. The maximum marks are what? It is little mathematics oriented and little.
Sir, can we get extra time, sir?
Sorry?
Can we get extra time?
Yeah, this question is given to you for 1 minute. Or let's say I'll give you 2 minutes for this question. Boys, you have 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Meanwhile, girls, try your best luck. Student has to obtain 33% of the total marks to pass. He got 125 marks and failed by 40 marks. The maximum marks are what?
Sir.
I'll come to you. Yeah, almost now 30 seconds is left. 30 seconds is balance. Nived, wait. 30 seconds is left. 30 seconds is left. Once it is over, I'll come back to you.
Sir, and Ashwant.
No, I've gotten a hand from Nived first. I'll go to Nived. Yeah, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Time for Nived.
Sir, 170.
170. All right, I'll move to the next boy now.
Sir, I myself, Praveen.
Ashwant, sir. After
Wait.
Nived.
Ashwant, yeah, Ashwant, tell me.
Sir,
Wait.
160. Sir, 165.
Ashwant, 165. And who's K1? Who raised the voice? K1. I said you guys have to keep your names on the screen. Then only it is better to call. It is really not good. Okay, Bhavani Shankar, answer me.
Sir, 500.
Bhavani Shankar said 500.
Sir, I am Rishi, sir, and my answer is 165.
Rishi, 165.
Sir,
Excuse me, sir. This is Sasmit.
Okay, Sasmit, tell me.
Answer is 500.
All right. So let's see. I got many
Sir,
answers
sir,
from boys.
myself. Praveen.
Yeah, tell me, Praveen.
495.
All right. Let's see the answer. I can check with. See, of course, the game is with boys now, but maybe one girl is allowed to answer, just to understand whether girls have got any answer. Any one girl can tell me.
Sir, can I answer, sir?
Yeah. Yes.
I think the answer is 500, sir.
Okay. Wonderful. Let's move on to the boys now. Boys, check whether boys have already said that answer.
Yes, sir.
So on the screen, if you can understand, given that the student got 125 mark and still he failed by 40 marks. The minimum pass mark is 125 plus 125 plus 40, which is 165. Given that the minimum pass mark is 33% of the total mark, 33% means 32 into 1 by 100. So that is the total mark. 33 divided by 100 is equal to 165. So the total mark goes to 16,500 divided by 33, which is 500.
So boys get a point, sir.
So boys at 5 points, girls at 4 points. Of course, if this was passed on to girls, they would have win this.
Yes,
I know
sir.
that. I know that. So Epsiba is already with correct answer. Epsiba is already with. Yeah, you can copy the answer if you want it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please copy. Epsiba is with already the correct answer. So if she would have given this chance, the girls would have win this point here.
Sir, but this question was given to boys, sir. I thought you would pass to us.
I know. The question is for boys only. It is not for you. But what I said, if it would have been with girls, you would have passed it.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So we'll move on to the girls now with the next question. So 5-4. Here it is 5-4. So now before moving on to the let's move on to this question. Let's move to the next question. Are you ready?
So 1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
And time, sir.
Yeah, of course. So time up. We are moving to the next question with girls. The question is on the screen. The question is for girls, not for any boys. If boys answer to me before I ask, you will lose point. Please remember. A blind man is alone on a deserted island. He has 2 blue pills and 2 red pills. He must take exactly 1 red pill and 1 blue pill or he will die. How does he do this? Your time starts. It's only 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes to think. Please copy the question from the screen and start thinking. And it's now the first 1 minute. In the first 1 minute, it is 55, 54, 53.
Sir, can I answer, sir?
Who is this? Epsiba.
Yes, sir.
Epsiba with the answer. Epsiba, we'll wait one more student or one more person from your group, so that if your answer is wrong, it goes to other one. If nobody's if nobody's answering, it will pass to boys.
Okay, sir.
So we'll wait one more girl from your group. We are waiting for one more girl out of this girls group. If no girls are there, Epsiba can answer, and if Epsiba's answer wrong, it directly moves to boys. Yeah, the first 1 minute is over almost. The last 1 minute is running. $55. Yeah, Tanushri has come. Now the time is off. Now, yeah, let's see. From Epsiba, I would like to hear it. Epsiba, tell me.
Sir, I think he divides the pill into 2 and puts 1 of red and 1 of blue. Again, 1 of red and 1 of blue. So it makes 1 blue and 1 red.
Tanushri?
Same, sir.
Answer me. Not same.
Sir,
won't accept
he
no
might
answers.
divide.
Tell me.
He might divide the red pills and blue pills in separate
Alright.
pockets or like a box.
All right. The question is with girls. I will allow one boy to answer.
May I answer, sir?
Sir, may I answer?
Wait. Yeah, who is showing the hand to me on the screen?
Jeremiah Griffin Paul.
Yeah, tell me, Jeremiah Griffin Paul.
I think he mixed the one red pill and one blue pill in water and drank it.
No,
Okay.
wrong. So let's see the answer. The answer is here. Firstly, break each of the pills in half, and as you do this, pop one half in your mouth and lay the other half side aside for tomorrow. When he's done this with all 4 pills, he will have consumed one red pill and one blue pill and have the same leftover. So the question is here, 2 blue pills, 2 red pills. What he did, he just broken it, break the red pills in half, break the blue pills in half, and take first day one half, and second day one half. So the girl wins here. Girls are correct.
Excuse me, sir.
Who's this?
Sir, I'm Abhilash, sir. I have a doubt, sir. He is a blind, no, sir. How can he differentiate blue pills and red pills, sir?
See, for example, if you see, you have a pot, okay? You have a
Yes,
pot.
sir.
Inside that there are 2 blue pills and there are 2 red pills. All right.
Yes, sir.
So when you cut it, all right, when
Yes,
you
sir.
cut it, let's see if you touch the pill, okay, you can understand the identical size of the pill. All right, each
Okay,
pill
sir.
will have an identical size. So when you cut
Yes,
it, when you cut it inside, you can see one identical piece to another identical piece,
Yes, sir.
so that you can understand this belongs to what, which
Okay.
color. You understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
what.
sir.
it
Thank you,
happens.
sir.
Right. Next go.
Sir,
Let's.
so how come girls get a point, sir?
No, girls said, like, they've already told that they break into half inside.
No, they didn't say that they'll break into half. They said that the blue pills will be in one side and the red pills will be on side. He'll take 2 and he'll eat, sir.
So they
Completely
didn't-
different, sir.
I said he'll divide it into 2 equal halves and eat 2 halves of blue and 2 halves of red. So this was the exact same answer I said, sir.
Yeah, that's what I heard actually. Epsibab told that they will divide it into half. That means it is breaking only. So 5-5. So now game is with 5-5. I'm moving on to the next one with the boys. Anybody wants, you can note down this. Would you like to note this?
Yes, sir.
Please. Are you ready? Where are my supporters?
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. All right, let's move on to the next question.
Yes, sir.
I am moving to the next one. The next question is here. This is to boys, okay? Before that, now from here onwards, all the questions are little tough questions. All right. So I wanted to do a tie breaking. Now it is only 5-5. So I would like to break the tie now from here. So for that, I'll be going with little small questions, 2 more small questions. Then I will come to this big question. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
this required a pure workouts. You understand? So I am moving to the tie breaking questions. Wait for a minute. We will do a tie breaking question. So the tie breaking question will come to your screen now shortly. Wait. Are you able to see the paint? MS Paint?
Yes, sir.
You can see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll be coming out with a small questions for 2 questions. For it is 5 point. So let us just see who are the best. So let me give you a question with for tie breaking. Now the question goes to whom?
Boys.
Is it for boys?
Boys.
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 The question's to boys, okay? The question is here. $47, $55. Please do start writing with me. $85, $92, $99, $73, question mark, and 25. Boys, your time starts now. 2 minutes. You are supposed to find out what is missing in this column. This column. Yeah, it's last 1 minute for boys. Last 30 seconds.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Bhavani Shankar, tell me.
Sir, is it 91?
One more boy is allowed to answer, so that it can pass on to girls. Nived, tell me.
89.
All right, now the question moving to girls. Yeah, now it's a turn for girls. Girls, your time starts. 2 minutes for you.
Sir, you can give me one chance.
If girls are not answered, it will come to you.
Sir, can I answer, sir?
Who is that?
Epsiba insurance, sir.
Epsiba is there. Before Epsiba, can I get any other girls? Only you are answering.
Sir, Ivana, sir.
Ivana, tell me, Ivana.
So when we add 73 and 25,
All
we
right.
will get 49, sir.
73 and 25, 49 now.
No, sir, 98.
Okay.
When we divide 98 by 2, we will get 49, sir. So the answer is 49.
Whether that is applied to this also?
Yes, sir.
Because if you add 47 plus 63, okay, how much it is? 47 plus 63. So 0 here, balance is 1, 7 plus 4, 110. All right. Am I right? So 110 divided by 2, which is 55. So that is applied to this also. And this also, it should apply. If you take any answer here, the same rule should apply to this as well as this. So whether 85 plus, okay, and 99, how much it is?
184, sir.
184
84.
divided by 2, which is 92. Yeah. So the answer is what here? 49. 49. So the chance goes to girls. 6 point with girls. Next question. One more question, which comes to girls. Yeah, you can write down. If you want, you can write down. Please do write. Are you ready?
No, sir. Yes.
Yeah, please write down. So I'm moving on to the next one. The next question is on the screen for girls. Okay. This is for girls. I said 5, and this is 6, and this is 8, this is 7, this is 4, this is 9, here it is 492. I said 492, and here another comes 572, and in this 7, and in this 5, in this 4, in this 6, in this 8, here it is 9, and the next one here, it's a question mark, here it is 4, here it is 3, here it is 5, in this it is 7, in this it is 2, and it is 5. Girls, your time starts now, 2 minutes. So 6-5, as of now 6-5. This is also 5. Now last 1 minute for girls. $55, $50, $49, $48, $45, $40.
Sir, can I answer, sir?
Who's this?
Epsiba Engineering.
If your answer is wrong, it will move directly to boys. Do you want to wait one more supporting friend?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
then
I'll
wait.
wait.
Yeah, then wait. 45, 40.
Excuse me, sir.
Boys, if anybody answer, it will be a trouble. Your chance will go. Who is this administrator? Who is coming? What is the name?
Gabriel. I know, sir.
You're from boys side.
Yes, sir.
I said if you answer now anything now, if you answer, your chance will go away. Please wait.
Excuse me, sir.
It does not come to you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Tanushri has come and Epsiba is there. So now Epsiba can answer. After that, it will go to Tanushri.
Sir, I think the answer is 652, sir.
Epsiba. All right. Let me ask you, Tanushri.
130, sir.
Yeah, now the answer is wrong. It is going to boys. Boys, your time starts now. Girls are already with 6 points and you are with 5 points. So I want boys. Where are boys? Yeah. Boys, your time starts.
Sir.
Joshua Daniel, Joshua Daniel, wait. You wait for one more friend to say say answer. Other than that, if nobody is raising, the chance will go away. So any more boys? Any more boys?
Vijay, sir.
So Joshua and Vijay is ready in the group. So I will go to Joshua first. Joshua, tell me the answer.
Sir, answer is 130.
Yes, sir. Same answer, sir. 130.
Let me.
Yes, sir. 130.
130, sir. 130. Is this answer told by girls also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I said, sir.
Who said?
Shri.
Who? Tanushri.
Yes, sir.
All right. See. Now let us see whether the answer from girl side, if it is correct, then girls will get the point. Okay. Let me see. I'll calculate here and show you. Let me calculate. Because here 492 is here. So the 492, we know that if we add this 5 plus 6 plus 8 and for 7 plus 4 plus 9, if we add, we won't get 492 because it's a 3-digit number and it's a big number, whereas here it's only single-digit numbers. So then there are, of course, there is a multiplication involved.
Multiply, sir.
So multiplication involved. So it is 5 plus 5 into 6 plus into 6 into 8. So 5 into 6 is 30. 30 into 8 is, which is coming around 240.
240.
And here it goes to 7, 4 into 9, which is coming around 252. 252.
252, sir.
252 plus 240 is 490. 492. So the same principle here, 4 into 3 into 5. Wait. Nobody could answer. I said no. Wait. If anybody is in the girl side, the answer was correct. It will be to girls only. 4 into 3. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 into 5 is 60. And here 7 into 2 is 14. And 14 into 5. So 70. So it is 130. So the answer is 130. 130. So it goes to girls. So girls, who said this answer?
Tanushri, sir. Tanushri said answer.
Tanushri. So it is 7-5. Now it is 7-5. The last chance. One more question, which goes to.
Copy, sir.
Sorry.
We'll copy. We're copying the answer, sir.
Please.
So I think the question goes to boys. Next question.
Yeah. Next question to boys. Now it is 7-5. Am I right?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Hello. Yeah. 7 with
Yes, sir.
girls and 5 with boys.
Yes, sir.
Shall I move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. I don't want to hear any background voice. If your parents are nearby or anybody shouting at the back, please mute your speakers. The next question is here. Boys, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
398 is equal to 964. 118 is equal
Sir.
to 164. 356 is equal to 936. 423 is equal to what? Time starts now with boys.
Sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
Joshua,
I
are you
cannot
ready?
see.
You cannot
No, sir,
see.
I cannot see your screen.
Is that the case with everybody?
The screen I cannot see, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, we can see.
It's very clear, sir.
It's clear,
So,
sir.
Joshua, check your screen. If you want, you can log in and log out if you want.
Yes,
I will
sir.
accept you again. You check your screen, otherwise check your mobile or laptop, whichever you're using. I think
it's
all of the students can see. That means the problem is with you only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, I'll leave and join again.
yeah, of course. The ball is with boys. Boys, your ball. Now the last 1.5 minutes for boys. Pradeep, wait, Pradeep. You want one more of your friend to support you? Yeah, then wait. Otherwise, it goes to girls directly. So we'll wait for one more boy. Last 1 minute. The last 1 minute. In that, $30 seconds. 29.
Sir,
Yeah.
completed.
So okay. So who are the two boys? One is Pradeep. Another one.
Praveen.
Praveen and Pradeep. So Pradeep, you answer me first.
Sir, 580, sir.
Who is that? Who's that answered?
Pradeep, sir.
Pradeep, it is 580. Okay. Let me check with the other person.
Sir, Praveen, 1057.
All right. So 580 and 1057. Now the ball goes to girls.
Sir.
Wait. All of
can
you
I-
wait. Don't shout. All of you wait. I said one is 1000, one is 580, another one is
1057.
1057, 580. Girls, your time. If the answer from boy side is wrong, then it goes to girls. Girls, the time is with you. Boys, I've already said 2 answers. We will calculate and see whether it is correct. If it's correct, it goes to boys. If it is wrong, it comes to girls. Pradeep said 580 and one more said 1005.
1057.
1057. Okay.
Sir, may I answer?
Ritika has come. Ritika, would you like to wait? You have 1.5 minutes balance.
Okay, sir.
I will get one more student. One more. Any one of your friend from girl side can support. Yeah, the last 1 minute. The last 1 minute.
Sir, can I say after they say, sir?
No. If the answer is wrong, then I may be thinking of. If both the side, if answers are wrong, then I may think of. Yeah, now it's time for from girls side. I heard who sound? Ritika. Ritika, time starts now. Nobody is supporting. Nobody is there to support you from girls side. So Ritika is alone fighting for girls. Yeah, Ritika, tell me. What
Sir,
do you
I think 169, sir.
How much?
169.
169.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll go to boys now and I'll ask boys how they got that answer. Then I'll come to you. Okay. Yeah, boys. Bhavani Shankar, who said to me the answer first? 580.
Sir,
Pradeep.
Pradeep. Pradeep, can you explain me how you got that answer?
Sir, I had 356 and 420, sir. I also subtracted, sir. The answer is 67, sir. So I added 423 and 67, sir. Then I added with 936, sir, and subtracted with 423, sir.
Okay, let me ask the other boy.
Sir, I got 964 minus 118 and I added 398.
You got 964 minus 118.
Yes.
Then what you added?
I added 398.
All right, I'll go to Ritika now. Ritika, please answer me.
Yes, sir. So I took the square root for first number and last number, sir, in the question. First, for example, you said that 398 is equal to 964. So 3 square is equal to 9 and 8 square is equal to 64. So for the second one, 118, 1 square is equal to 1 and 8 square is equal to 64. Third question, 356, 3 square is 9 and 6 square is 36. 423, 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9. So 169.
So 3 into 3, which is 9. 8 into 8, which is 64. Same way, 1 into 1, which is 1. 8 into 8, which is 64. Again, 3 into 3, which is 9. 6 into 6, which is 36. Same way, 4 into 4, which is 1, 6. The last number, 3 into 3, which is 9. So the answer is 169. Because if you look at this problem, no other relationship with any numbers. So there is only some trick used here to get this answer. So girls are with 8 points. 8 and 5. And would you like to
understand?
You didn't understand.
Sir.
Right. Okay. Let us see. It is 398. Okay, which is equal to 960.
I don't understand this sum, sir.
You didn't understand or you understood? You understood or you didn't understand?
Sir.
What are you trying to say? Are you able to understand or you're not able to understand?
I'm not able to understand, sir.
Not able to understand. Look at this. Look at this. What has happened? The relationship between this 3. Okay, this 3 and this 9. Okay, the first 9 and the first 3. It is 3 into 3. 3 square. 3 square is this 9. All right. And here 8 square is this 64. That's the way this problem is being solved. One is this number, the mid number is omitted here. First in a digit of the number 3 into 3, which is 9. And here 8 into 8, which is 64. It's a tricky problem. Next, 1 into
13 into 8 came, sir.
Which one? Which one? Which one? I can't hear your voice. Which one?
Sir, how 13 into 8 came, sir?
Where is 30 into 8?
Sir, you wrote, sir.
Here, this one. No, it is 8 into 8. Okay, we'll do this problem again. I'll write again. Look at this. For all your benefits, I'll write again. All right. Let me delete from this. We said, I think somebody is coming in between. We said 3, 9, 8 is equal to 9, 6, 4. Here, in this particular problem, we know that this 3, and if you look at very clearly, this 3 and this 9 has got some relationship. That is nothing but 3 into 3, which is 9. If you look at this problem, 8 and this 64. Okay. If you look at 8 into 8, which is 64. So that is a return. They have written that's why 964 in this. In that case, the last question was 423 is equal to how much? Am I right? So we know that the 4 square, 4 into 4 is 16. All right. Then this 3 square, which is 9. Understood? Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. All right. All right. So shall we move to the next question?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to, we'll go to the last question now, which was there on the screen. Okay. I was asking you a question. I said we'll go for a tie break and then we'll see what is happening in the next. So the next are going to be little toughest questions for you coming from mental ability part. And as of now, girls are with how many points?
8 points, sir.
And boys is with 5 points. So let me go with the same screen again. So the question is here in front of you. The question is here. Please do write. Please do write the question. You have been given 1 minute to write the question and you will get 3 minutes to solve the problem. If you know, if you don't know, then I will teach you.
Sir, I didn't get the screen, sir.
Who's that?
Ashwin, sir.
Ashwant. Others are able to see?
Yes, sir.
In that case, Ashwant, please
Yes,
log
sir.
out and log in again. I will accept you if you can't see.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is the question here? Two trains are on same track and they are coming toward each other. The speed of the first train is 50 km per hour and the speed of the second train is 70 km per hour. A bee starts flying between the trains when the distance between two trains, when the distance between the two train, once it reaches the second train, it immediately, like what, see the bee first flies from first train to second train. Once it reaches the second train, it immediately flies back to the first train and so on until trains collide. Calculate the total distance traveled by the bee. Speed of bee is 80 km per hour. So distance is equal to what? What is distance is equal to? D is equal to? Distance is equal to what? How do I?
Speed by time.
Yeah. Okay. Any other answer?
Sir, there is a square box hiding the question, sir.
Okay, this question is hiding, huh? 1 second. Is it okay now? Still it is there?
Please move the window away. They have given some box.
Sorry?
The box has written, please move the window away from the share application.
Please move this window
The
from the
box.
share. Wait a second. Is it okay now? Yeah.
I can't understand the question.
Yeah, we'll read and understand. Wait a second. Let everybody copy this.
Sir, it came again, that box.
Not able to write.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will read it. Let me read this.
Okay, sir.
Let me read this question for you. All right. The trains are on same track and they are coming toward each other. Okay, the first point is the trains are on same track and they are coming toward each other. The speed of the first train is 50 km per hour. And the speed of, now what is happening, few people are going out and coming in between. So when I admit people, the screen is coming. All right. So the speed of the first train is 50 km per hour and the speed of the second train is 70 km per hour. A bee starts flying between the trains when the distance between two trains is 100 km. The bee first flies from first train to second train. Once it reaches to the second train, it immediately flies back to the first train and so on until trains collides. Calculate the total distance traveled by the bee. Speed of the bee is 80 km per hour. I request you all to read this question at least 3 times carefully. Please read.
Sir, what is the collision, sir?
Collision means they meet together or they touch together. A big collision. Like a
Sir.
Wait. I said all of you to read for 3 minutes. Sorry, 3 times. Please do read.
The 20 kilometers per.
Wait.
Sir.
Basically, what is the calculator distance? Distance is equal to speed into S into
Time, sir.
All right. Let's look into the problem. Actually, I am sure it is a relatively tough problem, but look at it. It's one of a fantastic problem which is asked in NSCJS question, National Standard Examination of Junior Science. All right. So such question will come in Olympiad exams also. All right. When you write in future government Olympiad examination or NSCJS examination, NTSE examination, National Talent Search examination, these are all scholarship examination from government side. So in such examination, these kind of questions will be there. So you may kindly look into this, how this happens. So the condition here, the trains are on the same track. The trains are on the same track. Are you able to see my video? Okay, say trains are on the same track. All right, and the speed of the first train is 50 kilometer. That is A. Train number A is 50 kilometer. Train number B is 70 kilometer. A bee starts flying between the trains, where a bee plans, or how the bee flies between the trains when the distance between the two train is 100 kilometer. The bee first flies from first train, that is A train, to B train, and once it reaches the B train, it immediately fly back to A train, and so on until it collides. So calculate the total distance traveled by the bee. Let's look into the answer. Are you ready? So no point here in this case. We are going to the answer straight away.
Sir.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah. Let's see the answer. Look at this. Distance, we said it is between
Sir.
A and B.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Question,
Sir,
you didn't understand the question?
Sir, can
Yes,
you
sir.
show the question once again, sir?
Yeah, 1 second.
Sir, can you one?
Minute, sir.
Yeah. Listen carefully. I will read the question and make you understand. All right. The question says there are two trains, train A, train B. Okay. Train A, train B. Both are on the same track. Both are on the same track. That means they are running. Each trains are running on the same track, and each are running face to face.
Yeah.
Each are running face to face. Each are running as per the picture. Both are running face to face. Now, both are running face to face. There is a bee here on the picture. You can see there is a bee. All right. The speed of the bee is 80 kilometer per hour. The speed of the bee is 80 kilometer. Yeah. Now the distance A, train number A, train number B. In this, these trains are not collide as of now, but their distance is what? 100 kilometer. 100 kilometer. Once this 100 kilometer is closed, they will collide here. Where they will collide?
Yeah.
They will collide here in this place. So the question is here, since the B has touched A to B several times, then B to A to B, B to A, B to A to B, likewise.
Yeah.
All right. So now calculate the total distance traveled by the B before the train collides. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll move on to the answer now. Let's see the answer. How the answer goes off. Wait a second. Yeah. This is the answer. Let's see. Distance is equal to 100 kilometer, which we already know. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So the B is here. B is
Yes,
here.
Sir.
Yeah, B is here. B is flying at 80 kilometer speed. The speed of the B is 80 kilometer speed to touch train B. Okay. Look at the screen where my mouse points are there. So the B from here, it travels to B, train number B, with 80 kilometer speed. From here it returns to A. Okay. Again it returns to it returns here. This is the point where train will collide. Am I right? Now look at let the first train A moves at please write down these equations. This one. Let the first train A moves at U kilometer per hour. All of you write this. Let the first train.
Yes, sir.
Please do write. Let the first train A moves at U kilometer per hour.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let the second train B moves at V kilometer per hour. Two variables. We have taken U as a variable like XY. We have taken V as a variable here. Okay.
U and V as a variable, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Taken? Right. Okay. So let the
Yes, sir.
second train B move at V kilometer per hour. Now let the distance between two trains B and D is
Hello.
B and D kilometer.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Between.
Hello.
Who's this? Who's saying hello to me? I can hear you.
Sir,
Right.
think Bhavani, sir.
Yeah, he's there in the class and I can hear him also. He's saying hello, hello to me. Okay, let's see. Let the distance between two trains be d kilometer. Are you all clear with that particular area? Till that place, are you clear? Till that place, are you clear? Now, let the speed of B, B-E-E. Let the speed of B be B kilometer. Okay? Let the speed of B be B kilometer per hour. All right? The fly. Let the speed of the fly or B is B kilometer per hour. Therefore, the time taken by trains to collide is, how do you find as per us? Distance is equal to like U plus V. Distance divided by U plus V. Now pulling all the known values into the above equations. Okay. Let's see all the values, whatever values given in the questions like 50, 70, 100, 80, everything let us pull into the equation. Am I right? We get U is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. U is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. V is equal to 70 kilometer per hour. D is equal to 100 kilometer. B is equal to 80 kilometer per hour. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
Therefore, the total distance traveled by B as per the formula B into D divided by U plus V, which is 80 into 100 as given by the question. 80 into 100 divided by 50 plus 70. If you calculate, you will get approximately 66.67
Sir,
kilometers.
I don't understand, sir.
I can't understand, sir. Sir,
Right,
I also did not understand.
Sir, there's a star between the B and D, sir.
Wait. I will explain you once again for all your benefits. Kindly concentrate. All right. One of the toughest problems. It is not easy as you think. Please wait. All right. Right.
Yes, sir.
Let's see. What we need to find out here. That part are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What we need to find out here?
Yes, sir.
Total distance traveled by the B.
Total distance traveled by the B. The speed of the B is already told by the story, which is 80 kilometer. 80 kilometer. And we have two trains here. Train A, train B.
80 kilometer.
All right. The distance between these two trains are 100 kilometer. As of now, those the trains are before colliding, it is 100 kilometer. Am I right?
Yes.
Speed of the train is one is
Yes, sir.
50 kilometer speed, another one is 70 kilometer speed. Nothing we are doing, not to panic.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, somebody's murmuring in between, so I couldn't hear your voice clearly, sir.
Yeah. See that, boys, who is doing that? I said, once you ask the questions, keep your microphone in mute mode. I am recording here. After the class, I'll be able to see that who did that. All right. So for the benefit of everybody, listen carefully this question. This is, I said, Olympiad level questions. I said NSCJS NTSC level question of mental ability, which is time and distance oriented question. Time and distance oriented question. Let us see the question here very clearly. Nothing we have done. We have taken the story. We have taken what is written on the question. That means whatever is written on the question, you see the question on the board. Whatever we have seen in the question and we have seen in the picture, we have just wrote it down to a step by step. First step we have written, let the first train A moves at U kilometer per hour. You can write U or F, G, H, C, D, L, whatever you want. C, X, whatever you want. I have taken U. Okay. I have taken, let the first train A move at U kilometer per hour. We know the speed of the train, 50 kilometer hour. What is the first train speed?
50 kilometer.
But I have not written here. What I did, I just took a variable. I said, let the first train A moves at U kilometer per hour. All right. Next second, I have given second train number B. I have given train number B at V kilometer per hour. So I have taken two variables, U and V. Now, let the distance between two trains be D kilometer. We know what is the two distance. What is the distance? What is the
100
distance?
kilometers.
That I know. But
100 kilometers.
for that 100, I have given a D here. Is it okay? Right. Next, let the speed of the bee is b kilometer per hour. I know the speed of the bee is 80 kilometer, but I have written here as b. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Just to create a formula. Now, therefore, the time taken by the trains to collide is equal to d by u plus v. If you see distance is equal to, how do you take distance or time? T is equal to what? You need to know the formula of S is equal to what, T is equal to what, D is equal to what. So I have taken here trains to collide. D is that means trains to collide distance divided by U plus V. That is U is what actually the first train speed, second train speed only. That is distance divided by that. That means time. Time is equal to what? Distance divided by speed. Am I right? D is equal to, how do you find out? T is equal to D by S.
Yes, sir.
T is equal to D by
S.
S. So here T is equal to D divided by U plus V. Both the speed. Okay. Now next, now putting all the known values to above equation, we get U. We know what is U here. U is 50. Okay.
50.
V is 70. D is 100. B is B. This B. B is 80 kilometer. This B, the speed of the B, 80 kilometer. So therefore, the total distance traveled by B is B into D. Distance D is equal to B into D. All right.
80 into 100, sir.
Very good. 80 into 100 divided by 50 plus 70, which is equal to 66.67.
Yes, sir. Got the answer, sir.
Yes. So look into this class. I mean, after our time, please go through this problem once again detailedly. All right. If you have any questions related to this question, you can understand that student name along with what you are not able to understand, that you can mail to. I will tell you email ID Guruji Student Services 20@gmail.com. You can mail to this email ID your problem. If you are not able to understand, we will call that student individually and we will answer. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Excuse me, sir.
You should tell this day class, this particular problem I am not able to understand. So immediately when faculty see that mail, they will call you and they will answer you over phone. Right. Next problem. Let me move on to the.
Yes, sir.
Can I go to the next problem?
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, I'm moving on to the next problem. The next problem is here. You may please write.
Sir, so the last one, no one gets points, sir.
No. As of now, it is 8-5.
Sir, I said hello because for that minute I couldn't hear anything, sir, what you were saying.
That's all. But time never stops for us. Right. There is a room with a door closed. Time starts now. It's a 2 minutes question. Don't take more than that. So
Sir, should we write the question?
Please. If you write, you can practice. If you don't write, you can't do anything. And the same thing, when I come to your class, when school reopens, when I come to your class, I'll be asking all your notes. All my mental level classes notes will be asked for corrections. And I'll see who have done good return, who have done more problems, and who have done all the discussions, whatever I did, whoever noted down all the points, they will be given special awards from my side. Right. There's a room with a door closed and three light bulbs. Outside the room, there are 3 switches connected to the bulbs. You may manipulate the switches as you wish, but once you open the door, you can't change them. Identify each switch with its bulb. Let the bulbs be X, Y, and Z.
Sir, couldn't understand the question, sir.
Yes. There is a room. That part you understood?
Yes, sir.
And the door.
There's a room with 3 bulbs. I understood.
Very good. Wait. I will go. You asked me, let me go. There's a room with door closed. The problem is that the door is closed. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That means you are standing outside.
Yes, sir.
And 3 light bulbs. What is there in the room? 3 light bulbs, which means when you switch on, the bulb will light. Okay. Outside the room, there are 3 switches. When you stand outside, there are 3 switches also.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Sir.
Connected to the bulbs which is there inside the room.
Yeah.
You may manipulate.
Yes, sir.
You may manipulate. You can think of any switches as you wish. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
when you switch on, once you get inside the door, you can't change the switches of any bulb. All right.
Yes.
Whichever switches you are switch on. Identify each switch with its bulb. That means there are 3 switches outside. You need to identify which switch belongs to which bulb.
Yes, sir.
Now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Standing outside, you should know which switch belongs to which bulb. And that you have to say when you get inside the room, you should tell that this, suppose you are switching on all the bulbs. Okay, all the bulbs are lighting. Now, how do you know which bulb belongs to which switch? Suppose you switched off all the bulbs. How do you know which bulb belongs to which switch? Suppose you switched on one switch alone and one bulb is lighting. How do you know which switch belongs to which bulb?
Sir, by switching one switch by one switch. After
Okay.
one.
Sir, by switching one by one, sir.
Arey yaar, you can't open the door. You cannot change it. Once you switch on one switch, the bulb will light inside. All right. So when you get inside, how do you know which bulb, which switch?
Sir, they did not say that bulb is inside the room.
Wait. I said patiently listen. I will go ahead with the boys and I'll come to girls. When there is an answer troubles, I'll go it with Abhilash is raised hand. I will ask Abhilash. Abhilash, tell me.
Sir, we'll switch on one switch, sir, and get in and check which switch is that.
No, Abhilash, wrong answer. Let me move on to the other student of boys side. One more is raised. Wait. I said wait. Let me see. I said Johan. Johan is not answering. Let's go to Abel Jacob.
Sir, they did not say that the bulb is inside the room.
Come on here, wrong. So boys lost the chance because 2 boys said wrong. Now it moves on to girls.
Sir.
Girls.
Sir,
Girls. 2 boys were there and both are wrong. Girls, if you want to reach to 10, these are the chance for you. You are already at 8. Boys is lost. Now girls. Yeah, time is running short with girls. If nobody is answering, I will have to go with the answers. Yeah, I think it's last 1 minute for girls.
Sir, after the girls, could you give me a chance, sir?
We'll think of. Abhilash, right?
No, sir, I'm Rishi.
Abhishek. All right. So 30 seconds. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25.
Sir, why can't you switch all the switches, sir?
Who is this? Who's telling this?
Shani.
Shani. Okay, answer me, Shani.
Shani, sir.
Yes, Shani, I can hear you. Please answer.
Sir, Sir, the switches are outside, sir. If we get in, we can't see which is that, and we can't come out, sir. So better we'll on the 3 switches, sir.
No, Shani. I think now Abhishek will get a chance. Girls lost the chance. Let's move on to Abhishek. Where is Abhishek?
Sir, I'm not Abhishek, I'm Rishi, sir.
Rishi, tell me, Rishi.
So first we need to switch on switches 1 and 2, sir.
Sir, I can answer, sir.
After a moment, we can switch off number 2, and after entering the room, whichever bulb is on is wired to switch 1, whichever is off and hot is wired to switch number 2, and third is wired to switch 3.
No. I want everybody to mute now. Please mute.
I can.
Please mute. Please mute. All of you. Please mute. All of you.
Sir, can I have a try?
I said all of you to mute now. Please mute. No. The question moves to the master itself. Let's see the answer. See the answer here. Turn on switch X for 5 to 10 minutes. Turn it off and turn on switch Y. Open the door and touch the light bulb. If the light is on, it is Y. If the light is off and hot, it is X. If the light is off and cold, it is Z.
Understood the question and answer, sir.
Wonderful.
Sir, I can understand, sir.
Turn on switch X. Any one switch, you switch on for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Turn it off and switch and on switch Y. X and Y. There are X and Y. Open the door and see when you switch on X switch for 10 minutes. First, the door was closed. You switched on X switch for 5 to 10 minutes. You switched off X switch and then you switched on Y. All right. Then you got inside the room. You understood? After switching off X, you got inside the room. If the light is on, it is Y. Okay. If the light is on, you know which switch is Y. If the light is off and it is hot, it is X. If the light is off and cold, it is Z.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
Think on this question again after the class. Understood?
Sir, we'll write it, sir. 1 minute.
Please.
Sir, can you show the question, sir?
You would like to see the question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the question is here on the screen.
Thank you, sir.
So when it was shown to you, why you didn't write? Like, let's move on to the answer now.
Yes, sir.
Answer is shown here. So answer will stay on the screen for the next 15 seconds. And I'll move on to the next question.
Sir, if the question has been copied in our mind, it's okay, no, sir?
No. I said I will be checking your notes when I come to the class. And if I can't see the questions on your note, I will definitely question you. I would like to see the questions on your notebook, because these questions,
which
please,
you told, sir.
You should write. I said when I say few questions should not be written. I said few questions not to write. I said few questions to write.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So these and all, you cannot keep it in your mind at all. You need to write, because this is little analytical ability question. It boosts your analytical ability, thinking capacity, brain tuning capacities, tuning of brain, thinking ability. Right. Next question is on the screen. Yeah, the question is here. Please do write fast. I request everyone to write the question. Hope you all completed the question.
No, sir.
A lady L bought an item of ₹100 from the shopkeeper C. She paid him through a 500 rupees note, realizing that he did not have change. The shopkeeper C got change for that note from another shopkeeper S and paid rupees 400 to the lady. After a few days, S realized, that is, shopkeeper realized that what? The note is fake, and this railed at C and took 500 rupees back from him. So in this whole process, how much money did C lose in the end?
Sir, can I answer?
This question goes to girls.
Sir, can I answer?
Wait, who is this? Andrea.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Andrea, wait. Wait
Okay,
for
sir.
one more supporting
Okay, sir.
friend. If not, actually, it will directly move to boys. Please mute.
Okay, sir.
So I'm ready to go with Andrea. I'll be asking Andrea to wait. I'll ask Andrea. After that, who is there? Tanushri. Yeah. So Andrea and Tanushri will report first. After that, it goes to boys if it's wrong. Yeah, Andrea, answer me.
Sir, I'll say, sir. So that lady bought an item 100 from the shopkeeper, and he didn't have change, and so he got it from another shopkeeper and gave her 400 back. Now the shopkeeper is having 100 with himself, and the lady confirmed that the note was fake, and she asked 500 from him. So he already has 100 with him, and he already gave 400, and that is not his money. 100 is his money, and again the lady got 500 from him. So the total money now shopkeeper loses 500.
Tanushri. Mic on. Yeah.
The shopkeeper lost 400, sir.
All right. Okay. So I'll get answer from any one boy also. If not, which I got a 400. I got a 500 also. I wanted to understand Sasmith. Sasmith, tell me, Sasmith.
Sir, the answer is 900.
Can you explain?
तो क्या हुआ तो
Sasmith, explain.
500 रुपीस एक बच्चा हुआ आंसर है
यार जो बच्चा या आदमी सब कुछ अलग रखो, आंसर दे दो मुझे, बताओ आंसर क्या है? सस्मित
500 plus 400, sir.
हाँ 500 plus 400. I couldn't get you. Sasmit, you said 500, but answer me how?
6 seconds.
Abhilash, answer me.
Sir, the lady gave the shopkeeper 500 rupees note, sir.
Right.
And bought items for 100 rupees, sir.
Okay.
And the shopkeeper said that no change, and got change from a next shop. Yes, sir. And 400 rupees, sir. And he gave to the lady, sir.
All right, Bhavani.
After few
Bhavani
days.
Shankar and Bhavani Shankar.
Sir, now the shopkeeper got paid. Actually, he has to been paid us 100, sir. But he was paid 500 note. So he got a change from other shopkeeper and paid 400 to the lady.
Okay. Okay.
So after that, when the other shopkeeper realized that that note is fake, he took the shopkeeper's 500 note back from him.
Okay.
So, but he had that 100 note. So he got a loss of 500, but he also got a profit of 100. So it's 400, sir.
Sir,
Right.
I can say myself, Praveen.
Yeah, tell me, Praveen.
Sir, that lady gave to shopkeeper 500 rupees.
Okay.
The lady not having change. So the shopkeeper goes to another shop and get change.
Okay.
So the shopkeeper gave 400 rupees from the change to that lady.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
How much he lost?
400, sir.
All right. Okay. Let me
answer
go.
is 400.
Let me go to the answer now. I think that this chance was with girls, right? Girls was given the chance of this question. Am I right?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I think already one girl said to me 500 and she explained also. Where is she? What is her name?
Andrea Prince.
Andrea. So Andrea, is this the way, right?
Wait, sir. I'll read and tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
The total loss for shopkeeper was is equal to 500 given back to the person who had provided the change. Consider a transaction box. The lady came with a counterfeit 500 rupees note, which can be considered of zero value. Now the lady took item. Cost of the item is rupees 100 and 400 the change given by the shopkeeper C to the lady. From the transaction box local of 500 rupees, now the equivalent amount should be lost by someone. The shopkeeper C lost 500 rupees. Another shopkeeper has given 500 rupees and took back the same amount, hence no loss for him.
Yeah, sir. Answer is 500. It's correct.
Correct. Yeah. So Andrea, it's 9 points with girls now. So
Sir, one more.
please do write the answer.
Sir, can you give one more time the question, sir?
Yeah, sure. Write down the question. I will not be telling you the question again. Once I move to answer, I will not come back now. This is the last time I'm showing you the question. And when I move to answer, I will not be coming back. I don't like to come back. I wanted to go forward. I'm not a person interested to come back for anything. I keep moving. So the last time I'm showing you the question again and again. I won't be showing it to you again. When I ask you to write, you are supposed to write it.
Yes.
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir.
So I'm moving on to the answer now. Let me show you the answer now. If you could not write down the question, and you can call your friends offline, you can get it from them, please. And whoever is completed the questions, you can collect it from them. Please do that. So build a good networking among you all. So I'm moving on to the next. I'm moving to the answer. Please copy the answer fast. Okay, K1, tell me. Somebody is raising hand. Bhavani Shankar, K1, and all ask me what you want to ask.
Sir, no, sir, it was that when I said the answer, it was that time I didn't know.
Okay. Yeah. Let me move on to the next question. Are you all there? Ready?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is Jai Kailash is there? Jai Kailash?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Yeah.
Sir, I didn't actually understand how did he get a loss of 500, sir?
Yeah, I wanted Andrea to answer. Andrea, please. Where is Andrea?
Sir.
Yeah, please brief your friend that how that loss.
Who is that, sir? Bhavani, sir?
Yes.
Yes.
The lady buys something for 100 rupees and she gives him 500, right? And he doesn't have change and he goes to another shopkeeper for the change. He gives him 400 and he again comes here and gives, he takes off 100 and gives 400 to the lady. Okay, then the lady goes home and she checks it, the note is fake, and the shopkeeper already has 100, that is his profit. And the lady again comes to the shopkeeper, this note is fake, I want 500 back. I want my 500 rupees back. So now the 100 rupees is not the lady's money, it's the shopkeeper's money. So the 500, he's taking from his money, not from that lady's money. So 100 comes along with that 500. Yeah, 100, and totally 500. Understood?
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Read this question offline again Work out again and you will understand. If not able to understand, one by one, understand the conditions already given on the board, understand those conditions, and you will be able to do it better. Shall I move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir.
Yeah. This is related to cricket. This question, I don't know whether girls will be able to answer me. So I'll move on to the next question. Let's forget this question. Okay. Let me move on to the next question because we are also running short of time. I have few more interesting questions to be shown to you. So we will answer a little best questions for you. Yeah. Let's move on to this question now. Please do write this question.
So can you read the question?
Yeah, Ram used to arrive at the railway station every day at 6 p.m. from work. As soon as Ram arrived at the station, his wife Sita too arrives at the station by car to pick him up. Both drive back home. One day Ram arrived at the station 1 hour early and thought of taking a walk back to home. He started walking even after covering a specific distance. He meets with Sita. Both drive back home, and this time they reached 30 minutes earlier than the usual time. How long has Ram been walking? It's known that Sita drove every day at a uniform speed. That means, as per the picture, distance between station and home is shown. Ram meets Sita point is shown. They reach home 30 minutes earlier. That is there in the picture. Distance covered by Ram is also there in the picture from station to that particular meeting point. Third day, Ram reaches the station at 5. He meets Sita after a certain distance and both reach home 30 minutes earlier. That means we have to find out how long has Ram been walking. The total distance covered by Ram.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Ram been walking for 30 minutes, sir.
Okay. I'll come to
Sir,
you.
I can't understand, sir.
Wait a second. Wait a second. This question moves to whom first of all?
Boys.
Boys. Okay. So it's with boys. Girls are only with 9 points and 5 points. So boys, it's with you. So if the answer is clear, you can understand the question. You can ask me. I will teach you. If you are with the answer, you can be always ready.
Sir, I am ready, sir.
Okay. Hilda, who is that?
Bhavani Shankar, sir.
Bhavani Shankar is ready. Along with who is ready? Abraham Biju, are you also ready? I am reading the question for everyone's benefit once again. Ram used to arrive at the railway station every day at 6 p.m. from work. As soon as Ram arrived at the station, his wife Sita too arrives at the station by car to pick him up. Both drive back home. That means Ram is coming from somewhere else and he arrives at the station 6 p.m. and Sita comes to pick him at the station on the same time. On that day, Ram arrived at the station 1 hour early. That means instead of 6 o'clock, he arrived at 5 o'clock and he thought of taking a walk and he started walking to his home. And somewhere on the way, he meets Sita and both went back home and they reached 30 minutes earlier. In that particular case, how much time or how much distance Ram would have been walking? It's not that Sita, it's considered that Sita drove every day at a uniform speed. Right, boys, I think you can answer.
So 1 hour.
Who said this?
Bhavani Shankar, sir.
Bhavani Shankar. Is there any boys? Any other boys?
Sir, Ashwant. Sir.
Ashwant is telling what? Ashwant?
50 minutes.
15 or 50?
50, sir.
That means he has covered a distance covered by Ram. Distance.
Sir, 1 hour.
All right, so it goes to girls now. I got 1 hour and 50 minutes from boys. Girls. If girls are not there, I'll move with my answer.
Sir, 1 minute thinking, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, who is that?
Sir, Vijay, sir, I can't
No,
see the
Vijay.
distance, sir.
Vijay, what happened?
Sir, I can't see a screen distance and all.
It is written they reach home 30 minutes earlier. One side on the screen, on the white screen, where the
We
picture
can
is
zoom
there.
and see. We can
Right?
zoom and see.
Zoom and see. Zoom it.
So, sir, I can't see it, sir. It's blank.
You cannot see the screen at all?
Yes, sir.
So you have to log in and log out and log in again.
Yes.
If there is a trouble.
Okay.
Yes. Sir, the answer, sir.
Yeah,
Time
we'll
is up.
move to the answer. It's time up from girls. Let's move on to the answer.
1 hour.
Let's see the answer. Since they reached home 30 minutes earlier, Sita must have saved 15 minutes in each trip. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
yeah, coming to the station, going to home. So Sita would have saved 15 minutes in each trip, up and down trip, as the speed of the car was uniform. Am I right? This means that had Sita drove for 15 minutes, she would have met Ram at the station. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
As we know, Ram arrived at the station at 5 that day, and they must meet at 6. It means that Sita meets Ram at 5:45. Am I right? 15 minutes.
Yes,
Therefore,
sir.
Ram must have walked
Yeah.
45 minutes before meeting Sita.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Please copy.
Sir, I couldn't understand, sir.
Who is that? Who is
Sir,
that student?
Ipsy Benjamin, sir.
All right. Question you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here, when we see that, we have to find out Ram, right? How much time Ram would have walked? Am I right? To meet before meeting Sita on the way. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So since they reached home 30 minutes, the question says they both of them reached 30 minutes earlier. That means Sita must have saved 15 minutes in each trip. That means reaching to the station as well as going back, she would have saved 15. Both the sides she would have saved 15 minutes. Then only 30 minutes earlier they are reaching. Am I right?
That is what I couldn't understand,
See,
sir.
for somewhere you said like, okay, you have to reach to station at 6 o'clock. So whereas you are meeting Ram in some particular point. Am I right?
Yes,
And
sir.
when you came back from after meeting Ram, when you came back home, you have saved 30 minutes. That means before station you are 15 minutes. See, if you would have traveled another 15 minutes, when you on the way to station, if you would have traveled another 15 minutes, you would have reached to station. Am I right? That means 6 o'clock you would have met him. Now coming back again, you have saved, since you have met Ram in a particular place, you have met Ram on a particular place. From there to home, you have saved another 15 minutes. That means total 30 minutes she reached earlier. That's what the question says.
Yes, sir.
That means Sita Sita drove for 15 minutes. She would have met Ram at the station. I already told you. As we know, Ram arrived at the station 5 that day, and they must meet at 6. It means that Sita meets Ram at 5:45. Therefore, Ram would have walked 45 minutes before meeting Sita. Copy this answer. Read this
Yes,
question
sir.
again offline. You have any doubt, you can post it on the mail ID.
Okay, sir.
Right. So all of you copied?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
According to class time, it is 9 to 11 o'clock. So Yeah, according to the class timing, it is morning 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. So shall I move on to one more question? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Is it okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll move on to one more
Sir,
question.
someone's voice is not clear, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
someone
sir.
is saying no, sir, like that.
Yes, sir. It's coming in slow motion, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There'll be some students who are with less brains. They are not able to understand, and they need more time to understand. They need more time to understand. They'll practice and understand slowly. Right.
Okay,
We'll move to the next one more problem and then close.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I want
Newspaper folder.
No. That and all I'm not going to teach you now. It is a big problem. I'll go with one more very interesting problem, a small problem. Let us understand.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This problem is with a lot of movements. Please do write. Please do write. Once you write, we'll discuss.
A person has 3,000 bananas.
You have
Right.
to write the question first.
Yeah, that person name is not Abraham Biju. And it's not Bhavani Shankar also. He's smiling.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I eat only one banana, sir. I'm not like Abraham and all, sir.
Person has 3,000 bananas. Wow. 3,000 bananas. Okay.
Are you all okay? Yeah.
Sir, for me one doubt, sir.
Yes, ask me.
Sir, you said for all the subjects we should put a separate note, no, sir. This belongs to which subject, sir?
Mental ability.
For that also we should put notes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I have two answers with two reasons, sir.
I said nobody should answer me or disturb the voice. The voice is getting recorded here in this class. This video will get uploaded. All right. So please don't create any voice noise disturbances, and it won't be good that when others are seeing your video. Yeah. So here, hope everybody is noted the question. A person has 3,000 bananas and a camel. The person wants to transport maximum number of bananas to a destination which is 1,000 kilometers away. Using only the camel as a mode of transportation, the camel cannot carry more than 1,000 bananas at a time and eats a banana every kilometer it travels. What is the maximum number of bananas that can be transferred to the destination using only camel? No other mode of transportation is allowed. So here the question is very clear. It's very clear that a person has got 3,000 bananas. He's got a camel and he wanted to transport all the bananas to 1,000 kilometers away. But one condition, when he transport through the camel, for every kilometer, the camel will eat one banana.
Sir, I have the answer,
sir.
Sir, can I answer, sir?
Wait.
Sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can I answer, sir?
Yes, what is
Sir, I have the answer, sir.
Sir, can I answer, sir?
Can I answer, sir?
Whoever is shouting, you will use the point. Please understand. Boys are with 5 points only, or very less, and girls are with 9 points. I think the question goes to boys' side. I think so. So we'll wait for boys. 2 boys, as I told. Don't break the rule of the class. I will not be interested if any student breaking the rule of the class. So I'll go with students. First, I'll go with Abhilash. Abhilash, what is your answer?
Sir, he can take 3 camels, sir, and transport 3.
Wrong. When he said only 3, when he said only 1 camel, then how do you bring 3 camels?
Sir, I'll say, sir.
Sir, I'll say, sir.
Who is that?
Sir, Vijay Aditya.
Vijay Aditya, your answer?
Sir, 0 bananas, sir.
So wrong, Vijay. One more boy is allowed.
Sir, me.
Sir, Jerry.
Tell me, Jerry.
What is this? The man has to take at least 3 trips.
No. See, two are answering. Two are answering. See, why you are creating noise? If you are creating noise, I will not answer anything. I ask a student, that student only should answer. Harish, tell me.
Sir, the person also should eat one banana for 1 kilometer. That's why we can. So the camel can carry 1,000 bananas, sir. So the camel.
No,
for 1,000 kilometers.
I said
The
wrong.
person also should.
Sir, you called me.
I said
Sir,
wrong.
I think
I
the
said
person
wrong.
will.
No answer now. No answer is accepting from boy
Sir,
side.
one
Sir,
time for
can
me.
I answer, sir?
Wait a second. I said no answer is accepting from boy side now. Let me go to girls now.
Sir, I
Girls,
can
yeah.
answer, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I think the person who has 3,000 bananas and a camel can transport 1,500 bananas, sir.
How the camel can carry only 1,000? How then 1,500?
No, sir, he can take 2 trips. 2 times he can go and come back,
Okay,
sir.
okay. If that is the case also.
So the first time, actually, he carries 1,000 bananas
Hmm.
and he's feeding his camel another 1,000 bananas, sir.
See, one time the camel can carry 1,000. Okay, by the time you reach to 1,000 kilometers, the camel would have eat all the bananas.
No bananas.
Then no bananas at all.
Sir,
Now one more
1,000
girl.
bananas, sir.
One more girl. One more
Sir,
girl.
1,000 bananas.
I said one more girl. Who is answering me that?
Sir,
Yeah.
myself, Andrea,
Andrea,
sir.
tell me, Andrea.
Sir, there is nowhere in this question written that how many bananas the man can carry with himself, sir.
Wrong.
The
Wrong
camel
answer.
can.
Wrong answer.
Sir.
No girls are allowed now. I already said. I think boys said I've given three boys. So girls also I'll give you 3 girls. One more girl is allowed.
Sir, I'm Shani, sir.
Yeah, Tanushree, tell me.
No bananas, 1,000 bananas can take, sir. Each kilometer, the camel eats.
Sir,
No, Tanushree. Answer
sir,
is
can
what?
you give me one chance, sir?
No. Now let's see that. Now I think it is taking more time. So let
Give me
show you-
one chance.
Sir, give me one chance, sir.
Let me. Who is that? Give me one chance.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Now who said to me from boy said give me one chance?
Praveen, sir.
If your answer is wrong, you will lose the point. 5 points will become 4.
No.
Are you sure?
No.
All right. So let me show you the answer. I'm just stop sharing the screen now and I will show you on the board, whiteboard. Okay. Wait. Are you able to see the board?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's see. We have how many bananas here? We have 3,000 bananas. All right. And we have to travel 1,000 kilometers. Right. Okay. Every 1 kilometer, we lose 1 banana. And only 1 camel. All right. Only 1 camel available. So what he has to do, the person has to do, let's see, he has to travel A to B distance. This is 1,000 kilometer. All right. This is 1,000 kilometer. What he has to do, he should travel to a destination. This should be 100 kilometer first. Okay. He will carry 1,000 bananas. All right. And he will go to 100 kilometer. All right. Or are you able to understand? Or he'll go to 200 kilometer first. Let's see. He goes to 200 kilometer first. And by the time he reaches here, how many bananas will be with him?
800.
800 will be with him. He leaves this banana here and he returns on the same route. Okay. And next 1,000 is here. He takes this 1,000 and goes to another.
Sir, doubt, sir.
Wait. Let me complete. He comes back. He comes back, leaving 800 here. Where he left 800, at the 200 kilometer, he left 800 and he came back. Okay. He came back. From here, he took another 1000 and he traveled to 200. By the time he reached to 200, how many bananas would have lost? Again, 200 would have lost. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? So from here, how much is there? 800 already there. Okay. So he reached here 200. By the time he lost 200. So he has got with him 800 and already 800 is lying here. From this 800, he took another 200 because he can carry only how much? 200. That is 1000. Then he goes to another 600 kilometer. That means, so from 200 to 600, he will lose 400. So by the time he reached from 1000, he would have lost 400. He's got 600 here. Am I right? Right. He came back again from this place. Understood what I'm saying? Okay.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir. Can you explain one more time?
That means you are not concentrating at all. This is a big problem. If you are not able to concentrate, you cannot understand. Shall I brief you again? One more time, I'll brief for everybody's benefit. Don't ask me again and again. Right. I'll brief again from the beginning. I said the rule is that if you ask me again and again, there is no chance. Please understand. Please understand what we have here. We have 3,000 bananas, and we have one camel. We have 1,000 kilometers to be traveled, and every 1,000 kilometers use one banana. Right. Now here I said first you travel to 200 kilometers with one 1,000. By the time you reach here, it will be 800. Am I right? Am I right? And you return back. All right. Return back. Here another 1,000 is lying. You took this 1,000 and you reached this point where 200 is there. By this time again it is 800. Already 800 was lying here, and you all having 800. You took these two. From this you took 200. From the first one you took 200. Now you have 1,000. All right. With this 1,000 you travel further distance of another 400 kilometers, so that you will lose another 400. So out of 4,000 you have 400 loss, means you have 600 with you. Am I right? So now one point here, 600 is already lying at the point of 200, and this point at the point of B you have 600 lying. You came back from B distance and you took another 1,000, and you have to travel now. First distance, if you go again, 800 is available. Here how much is available? 600 is available. Right. From 800 in the second trip you have taken 200. So 600 is available. From this 600 you took 200. All right. So 800 plus 200. At the third trip you have 1,000 again. All right. And this first place 400 is lying. Third trip you have taken this 800 and started walking another 400. You have another 400 meter. You will lose again 400. So you have out of 1,000 again 600, and this place already 600 is lying. Am I right? From there you have to walk another 400 meter towards your destination of 1,000 kilometers. So you can take from this 600. When you reach this particular time, you will have only 600. 600 plus 600, you have taken another 400. So you have 1,000 now with you, and you are traveling another 400 kilometers. So approximately 600 bananas at the maximum you can take to sell.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, while the camel returns also it will eat bananas.
No bananas on his shoulder.
So anyway it will get tired now.
Arey, look at the question. Question says like when the camel carries banana. If when the camel carries banana, it eats.
Okay.
Without banana,
it's like if you want to take banana, you should give me banana.
That's all. Now this question, I expect all boys and girls to sit and work out. Somebody who can see, I said I can sell 600 at the maximum. Somebody who can sell more than me, you work out. You understood what I'm saying?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Somebody getting 500, it's well and good. 500 and above.
Okay.
Understood? But when you look at it, this question, let me tell you one thing. If you look at this question, what happens is, wait. We were at which question? We were at this question. Okay. So when you look at this question, it's very detailed and it's a really interesting question. These kind of questions are asked in IAS level also, UPSC level also. This kind of questions are asked. So you have to practice something like this. This will boost your mental ability. In between, it will boost your maths, calculations, and all those things. Okay. So there are many things like this. So end of the day, what happens is, I didn't get time to discuss a few more problems with you. In the next class, maybe I'll be discussing those problems. All right. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. There were a lot of interesting questions were with me.
Yes, sir.
So the next class, we will discuss such questions, okay, in detail. Okay. So.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You were happy?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Will you practice such questions again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See you in the next class.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I think you have a
Thank
test.
you, sir.
I think you have a test on Friday,
Yes,
which
sir.
your teachers will inform you. Which your teachers will
Yes,
inform you
sir.
and be online when those
Okay, sir.
tests are there. Okay.
Sir, they have said that it will be about chemistry, sir.
Yeah, you will get a schedule. You will definitely get a schedule.
Sir, during mental ability class, we'll always get these types of questions, sir.
Of course, there will be questions.
Okay, sir. I'll be prepared, sir.
Right. Thank you very much
Thank you, sir.
attending this session.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Your
sir.
friends who could not join this, please inform your friends. Okay. Whoever could not join this session, please inform your friends offline to join from the next class at least.
Thank you, sir.
All the best. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Best of luck.